Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and may I start by wishing you a happy new year. I'm excited for the year ahead as I have lots of delicious recipes planned to share with you. So let's kick off with a simple, fun spaghetti pancakes recipe that you can then share with your family and friends. If you have your own go-to pancake recipe, feel free to use it, but if you'd like to use the same recipe that I'm showing you in today's video, then please check out my fluffy American pancake recipe and you'll find a list of the ingredients and measurements in that video. Alternatively, if you're looking for something a little bit more healthy but equally delicious, you might be interested in checking out my oatmeal pancake recipe. Once you've mixed all of your dry ingredients together, you can then add your egg, milk and melted butter and whisk everything until it's well combined. I think a good American pancake batter has quite a thick consistency, but when you make your spaghetti pancakes, you're going to need to add just a drop more of milk to your batter, as it's better to have more of a runny consistency as I show you in the video, and this is then going to make it easier to make your spaghetti shapes in your pan. Then all you need to do is place your pancake batter into a piping bag, or as I'm using today, a squeezy bottle, and set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. When you're ready to cook your pancakes, find the biggest pan that you have, heat it up on a medium heat, add a little bit of oil and spread this around before then adding your pancake mixture. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can make your spaghetti pancakes. For the first style, starting from the middle of the pan, just make a spiral and you're going to want to leave a little bit of space in between, as this pancake recipe is extra light and fluffy and it will expand in the pan. These don't take long to cook, so as soon as you see bubbles, have a check and then with one motion flip them over in your pan. You might need to rearrange a bit, then as soon as the second side looks golden brown, you can then take them off the heat. You will need to cook your pancakes in batches and I recommend keeping them warm until you're ready to serve. I personally like to use this metal container as it not only keeps them warm but soft, but alternatively, just place them in an oven covered up on a low heat. For the second way to cook them, and my preferred way, is to make a zigzag shape, making sure to fill up all of the space in your frying pan. For me personally, I prefer using this second method of making our spaghetti pancakes as it's not only easy to flip, but I found that the spaghetti looking pancakes holds its shape much better this way. Welcome to anyone who's watching for the first time. My name is Amanda. I love sharing simple and delicious British recipes, although I will be sharing a few other favourites along the way as well. And I've been getting lots of recipe requests and we'll be sharing some of these classic recipes in the beginning part of this year. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and if there's a recipe you'd like to see, then please drop me a message in the comments below. This recipe is a novel way to serve up traditional pancakes, and just like when you're eating spaghetti, I like to serve them up in a big bowl for everyone to be able to help themselves. For some extra colour and texture, you can then add a variety of your favourite fruit and nuts, a light covering of powdered sugar, and of course finish up with some maple syrup. So here we have some delicious spaghetti pancakes, fun to eat with friends and family, or just enjoy them by yourself. However you choose to eat them, I think you're going to enjoy this recipe. And as always, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless.